Welcome to vlog 15. Dane should be in vlog this week, but he's on vacation. He left us. So, yeah, it's me again. I'm sorry. Today is Monday and it's my first day as a real teacher because the other week it was Gigi. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. I have to talk about aperture, but the kids are really nice, so I think they will like it, and we will do like portrait photography and product photography, so I think we will learn a little bit, and yes, wish me luck. See you with the kids. Bye.
Basically, low aperture is that the subject is in front, is in focus, and high aperture, we have everything in focus.
This week I think we are going to do like gardening because tomorrow we plant our garden. We will show you.
Salad, radish, another salad, salad, basilica, zucchini.
Oh.
I love zucchini!
Today is Tuesday and we are going to first part of gardening. What are we doing now?
Є середньої глибини на сортах карені 15 доль ожено ручекорем. У скорайне віденням стрижном.
So for now we have already planted salad, tomatoes, and we are going with aubergine, I think. Problem is that the soil is really dry, so we have to put a lot of water. How much do you enjoy gardening?
A lot. It's fun. And we have nice music, so I like it, but I don't like this. It's too dry. Yeah.
Not soil.
I think it's like they put different soil in here. Like it's not the original.
Yeah.
Not.
Looks super
I found
dry.
a nail
But...
in there. So.
Great. Now we finished, but we don't have. We have to plant this inside till it's really spring, and we can plant them in the garden. So in the meantime, we have like all the. This is the kitchen. This is in my room. I put them there so they have enough sun. But I changed everything because here the bed was there and now the bed is there and the plants, they are here. Everything for the garden. And Yeye also. All the house full of plants.
It doesn't matter how it looks. I'm going to throw it away anyway.
Hi guys, Dame is back. Look.
Hi, I'm back.
How was your vacation?
Good.
Yippee!
It was really good.
What did you do?
I went skiing and then back home, and that's it.
We are going to another
I'm
workshop.
skiing.
Angus is kind of scared that we are going to be late, but I think it's fine.
I'm stressed.
We will
I'm
make
always
it,
stressed.
don't worry. Later, we have Slovenian class. And we are going to talk about restaurants, how to order in a restaurant, Jelim, Cabo, Prosim.
I'm good at this.
Wow.
What do you expect of this workshop?
It's gonna be fun. Okay, what do you expect?
I expect to be super fun because these kids, I like them, they're cool.
Are you even allowed to say you don't like them on the vlog?
No.
Exactly.
But I like them, so there is no problem. Angus is the teacher. Bye. Something is not working here.
What are we doing?
We are in a theater play.
Yeah, we're recording at the Interplay.
It's like
And
this.
Eva's struggling with the Panasonic.
It's not like this. It's like this. It's not this one. I will cry.
No, Simon will cry.
Oh yes, it's this
He
one.
taught us.
We were doing drone all the time. It's just we don't use a lot Panasonic.